Hey friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney and I'm so excited for today's video because it's a little bit different than what I typically do on this channel, and it's going to be an unboxing. So FabFitFun reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in checking out their winter box and kind of sharing my opinions with you guys. And I said, sure, why not? From what I've seen online, a lot of the products that are included in this box are fashion, lifestyle, beauty, wellness, all of those types of items, which for me right now, running crazy rampant through the holidays, being pregnant, I was like, why not? This would be a great treat myself moment. So I said, sure, I'm here for that. So thank you so much to them off the bat for sending me this box to review. So the FabFitFun box, I'm sure you've heard of it, is a quarterly subscription box, and every quarter for $49.99 you get a box full of goodies. Like, this thing is huge compared to my head. So when this box arrived at my house, I was pleasantly surprised at how big the box was, and it's decently heavy, so I'm excited to see what's in here. A couple of things that caught my eye is this whole box, even though you're paying about 50 bucks for it quarterly, there is a retail value of over $200 in here. And so you guys know that I am a sucker for a good bargain, so I was really excited to see that. And also, they have a philanthropic piece to their business. So for the winter box, it says right here in the corner, it's in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement. So Maria Shriver does a lot of work with them. I've had family members that have suffered from Alzheimer's. So this, when I saw it arrive before I even knew what was in there, I was pleasantly surprised and happy to see that that was supported there. Before we hop into this video, I want to make sure that you guys know that you can get $10 off your first box with my code WIT10. It will be down below with all the information that you need to get your first box if you like what you see today. So let's get in to see what's in this box. Now, I literally just uncut it so I didn't like fumble on camera, but I don't know what's in here, which is really exciting. So open it up and let's see what's in here. So off the top, they've got coupons. Here's a little example of the purple mattress, if you guys have heard about that. Discount codes. Discount code for FabFitFun. Discount code for HelloFresh. And then, oh, speak of the devil, Maria Shriver is on here, probably talking about the philanthropic piece to the winter box. Because like I said, she does a lot with that Alzheimer's research and awareness. And so this is cool. It looks like there's recipes in here, probably more information on the items that you get in your box. So I'm excited to check this out. And now to the goodies. So here's what it looks like coming straight to my house. It looks very Instagram worthy, which I'm sure was on purpose from their marketing people. But first, here on the top, the first thing I see is this white box. And it is Baddington lashes. Ooh, these are cute. These are some fake lashes, and on the back it says they are 3D silk lashes. So lashes, off the bat, this is something nice that I'm probably not going to run out and buy myself. So this is nice to try and to really be able to have the luxury to kind of check this out on my own. Okay, I'm so excited about this. So this is a Prime and Prep detangler, but this is the Dry Bar brand. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I recently had my first Dry Bar experience when I was in Dallas, and I loved it. It was such a really fun, like, girls' time out, and we got ready for our work event that we had in Dallas. So this is called Prep Rally, but it is a full size. These are not cheap because I looked into these when I was there, and so this is just something that you put on your damp hair. It's a detangler, and it's also looks like it's a heat protectant. Yeah, safe up to 450 degrees. So this alone I'm so excited about to try that out and to have their products, because my hair felt amazing after I went to Dry Bar. Next, I'm seeing, they look like Ahava. I'm not familiar with this brand. It's a natural dead sea salt bath salt. So this, baths have become my new favorite thing. So I'm achy all the time. So I am really excited to try this out. It says this is supposed to help when your body's in need of a revitalizing charge. It has skin-friendly minerals, magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium, and more to soothe your body. So you just dump this into a hot bath. It says 1 to 2 packets. So I'm wondering if it's this whole packet. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out. Like I said, not familiar with this brand, but this is really what I was hoping for in this box. Kind of some of those treat yourself for the winter so you can stay nice and warm and cozy. Up next is this Calm and Clean. It says yoga. on it. Epsom salt hand and body wash. So it's made with lavender oil and it's part of a daily cleansing ritual. So this seems very like aromatherapy, stress reducer. So that is going to be super exciting to have. Let me smell this. Ooh, yeah, that smells good. So sometimes I like lavender. Oh Jesus, I spill it everywhere. I love lavender, but sometimes it is too much and it just like smacks you in the face. This is the perfect amount of lavender. It feels like essential oils, really making you feel nice and relaxed. So I will definitely be using this along with those bath salts. This is also super cute. This is a Paper Source 2020 planner. And let me get it out of this plastic so you can actually see. But it is a spiral bound. It says 2020 with really pretty writing here. And then let me look at the pages. Oh, this is so nice. So Paper Source has such nice stationery. They're based here in Chicago, so I don't know if you're super familiar with Paper Source, but they've got super cute calendars and a ton of stuff. I will definitely be using this, especially when little man comes to try to keep our calendar straight. But yeah, this is super nice. I love the print on here. I love that you can throw it in your bag because you can do the little binding there with the little stretchy strap. This is nice. I am pleasantly surprised so far. I was worried that it was going to be a lot of body stuff, which is nice, but like, you know, how much lotion and stuff can you use? But a lot of this stuff I'm really excited to use. So I'm pleasantly surprised throughout this process. Up next, we're still going. It's this Erno Laszlo New York Exfoliate and Detox Pore Mask. This is, again, a full-size mask, pore cleansing clay mask. I really like their packaging. Of course, there's a thing on there. The black and pink is cute. It just looks like a detox mask, which is nice because, you know, in the winter, it just, like, a bunch of stuff just like gets in your pores and it's gross. So this, it looks like after you wash your face, you do about 10 to 15 minutes with this on and then wash it off. And that is just a super nice time when you have a face mask on to just kind of relax, especially in the winter. My skin gets super dry, so I'm so excited to use this. A lot of these products, I'm sure you guys are going to ask. I will definitely check into these to make sure that they are pregnancy friendly. For the most part, from what I'm seeing as far as ingredients, I believe they are, but don't worry, I will check into that before I use the product. All right, 2 more to go. So this one I actually saw somebody post about on Instagram and I am super excited to try this out. It is called the Makeup Eraser and this thing is supposed to be like a heaven sent. So it is a cloth, which first off, like as you're washing your face, how many of us just use like your own washcloths? They get gross. Like you've seen those black makeup, like it says makeup on it, but like this, okay, first is so soft. 2, look how big this is. This could honestly be like a 2-hand face wash instead of like having to worry. Like that in and of itself is nice. So their little card said that the purchase of this helps reduce the 3rd most wasteful product in the world, which is wipes. So that is a really cool mission. Alex and I have been all about the documentaries on Netflix, seeing, you know, that we shouldn't be having bottles and all of that kind of stuff. And so that is awesome. Okay, so it's looking like you just go ahead and use this. You're able to remove the makeup from your face. And actually, I saw on Instagram a video of somebody using this on, I think it was like a cantaloupe or a melon, but one side was with a traditional wipe and one side was with this, and it just like was magic. And so for me, I'm really excited to try this because my face has been like really breaking out over the course of being pregnant, and so I'm really looking forward to trying this to get all that off my face. It also says on here that it erases waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, lipstick, and more. So the waterproof piece is a battle. I'm sure you know if you've ever taken makeup off your face, and also the lipstick piece. So I'm so excited to try this, especially if it holds up to the hype. There is a super, super soft blanket in here. I feel like I saved the best for last. It is by Unhide. And it says for love, not fur. So it is a animal friendly plush blanket. It also says they are proud supporters of the Humane Society of the United States, which as a rescued dog owner, I can definitely appreciate that. This is gonna be so great for Christmas movie watching season. And honestly, this alone is probably worth half to 3/4 of the price of the box already. So I'm excited to crack this open and see how cuddly it is. Oh yeah, this is super nice. This is totally like perfect for me. I'm gonna have to keep this hidden from Sebastian because he's gonna get all in it. But oh my This is gonna be perfect for watching movies. So that's everything that came in my winter box from FabFitFun. Thank you so much to them again for sending me the box to share my unbiased opinion with you guys. I think overall everything in the box was a great deal, I think, to get for the price. Some of the items, are they 150% rock stars for me personally? No, but for the most part I would say over half of the items in the box were definitely things that I would use, and I am now honestly really considering becoming a subscriber myself. So there are a lot of great items in here. This is also great to send somebody maybe the spring box as a Christmas gift. This would be great to send to somebody at college. So if you're looking to try that, you can use my code, which is WIT10, which I will put down below for you, and you can get $10 off your first FabFitFun box. So that brings the cost from $49.99 down to $39.99, and for that price, for the $49.99, it's great to get $200 worth of stuff, but for $39.99, forget about it. It's definitely great to allow you to expand your horizons, really check out new things, and not really be on the hook, especially to pay full price for a clay mask that you want to try a couple times, or you know, things like that. Experience new brands. I love to find new things like that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, FabFitFun, for partnering with me for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!